Archer's car looks so small on the road. It's so loud. No, rip. Cops. Why'd I have to park so far away? Oh yeah, that's right, so I didn't get door dinged. What is going on today, guys? Night meets are back. It's 2021, and we're going to a car show. Dark, almost, sunset. Lights are on. Let's get going. Okay, cold start with those valves open. Still kind of quiet. It's really cold. I have to be at Auto Wash, which is 50 minutes away in just over an hour, so I'm actually ahead of time this time. But I also have to wash my car because it's messy. I recognize that car. Auto Wash. Hello.
What's up?
I don't have the slowest car at the meet, but I do have the most boring.
Yeah.
Oh well. Oh, we're still doing this. I like the mullet, by the way, Sam. You're cozy in there.
There's a distinct ancient Japanese smell here.
JD.
What do I do with my hands?
I also have to point out, I'm sitting down on the ground to be level with this thing. This thing's freaking small.
And this is why you don't do crack. That was terrible.
Nice and clean. So Auto Wash is this enthusiast-based car wash here in Colorado that uses all chemical-free soaps that are all safe for your paint and touch-free washes, which is why JD is actually going through the automatic wash, and we aren't all dying inside of him doing it. So you see people like Sean bring his Evo 3 right-hand drive. I'm driving this at some point. Right-hand drive, Evo 3, super rare car, and he takes it through this wash. Hello.
Yeah, I got my flashers on too, so I'm part of the club.
We got the cool boys over here, and then JD's somewhere over there inside a bay. Spicy. Let's not point out. Sam got a new plate. We like this plate. Your plate is amazing.
I just noticed that.
Super Pro.
Oh, it's so terrible.
At least you didn't go with Subaru.
It's as terrible as my haircut.
Yes.
Oh, the mullet coming out of the STI, it's
Yes.
phenomenal. Adele, lead him. Yep. Blue smoke pop. Give me some blue smoke. There we go. There's that blue smoke.
Dedicated car crew right here. To the back.
We are now blocking the entire half of this auto wash. We're blocking half the auto wash. That's fine. Literally, like, I can't reach the hood while standing up, is how small this thing is. I could go up to any other car here and put my hand on the hood fine, but this one, his roof is at the same height as my hood. Archer, clean this shit out.
No,
Are you trying to grow a forest in here?
I'll clean it out when it's legal.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the brake.
Just like the cold start reps.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Puppy. She's so cute. I'll put that on. Cool. And now we're mobbing down to the car show. I will pick it up when we get down there, or if we do anything stupid along the way. We're probably gonna do something stupid. Archer's car looks so small on the road. It's so tiny. It's beautiful. I love mobbing with a group at night. There's nothing better. It's this entire group in the tunnel. Good. Yes. You have a flat tire too?
Yeah.
Oh sh.
Derek has two and half one.
Damn.
Who has one? JD has one.
No, Derek does.
Derek has flat tires.
That fucking sucks.
Yeah, it's a plastic bed logo.
Yeah, I saw that. What?
What was it?
It looked like a refrigerator box or something like that. We're about 2 blocks. Dude, that piece of plastic, damn.
Dude, he's got 2 flats.
Yeah, he's got 2 flats, he's got 1. Yeah.
Does anybody have a compressor?
Somebody's gotta have one here.
I don't think we can. I think it's just a user.
Yeah, I think so too, but I need a lever. When we go to leave, we're gonna be totally flat, like sitting on the
Dude, that is so unfortunate.
I felt on the
that's
highway.
just flat.
It's always a S4, right?
Yep. I don't know what it was that.
It was a plastic piece.
Yeah. Damn. The turnout out here is actually crazy. We got Euro boys, JDM boys. It's crazy out here. This guy came on one of our cruises. I love it. 2 R8s. This one's really clean. Actually, 3 R8s. I like this. This is nice. This guy's making like 600 horsepower. American Muscle. This is a cool, great turnout.
Yeah.
Cool event. I've never been to any of these garage meets.
Neither have I.
Yeah. Do I pop my hood? I've got the. No. Depressing. Spray paint's not cool. Not among these cars. No. I'm already pushing it for Rice with the underglow. Puppy! Oh, she's so cute. Hi, Allie.
Yeah, absolutely. Be fine.
I love her.
She's so cute.
She's the cutest. This sucks. Both of his tires are flat on this side. Dude, I fucking love this thing.
That thing's massive.
I love that color.
Yeah.
Damn. That color is insane. I love the color on the Skyline too. And the R8. Yeah, this RS6 is such a dream. Good lord. I mean, we found the tire pressure, but it's not working. Compressor, it's not working, it looks like. Did you de-bead? Sean, what did you lead in? Are you gonna try yours and see if it'll fill?
Maybe.
Yeah, you didn't hit it as hard since you didn't lose your back. Yeah, this meet is going crazy so far. Other than, lost tires. We're not gonna talk about that. It sucks. So far, the meet's going crazy.
Yeah.
I wanna go check out these guys over here. Bagged wagons have a special place in my heart. Damn. That fitment is clean. Not doing anything?
It's fucked. So I think the rim is cracked. So it's
Oh
like,
shit. Well, I'm hoping it's just a D-bead and not that your rim is completely cracked. Okay. Easy way to shut up the entire meet. One day I'll get a car that'll shut down a meet like that. One day. Okay, we're gonna try something a little dumb. I'll know what. We're gonna fly my drone over here. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Adele's brother is fixing his car. What's crazy is how many of these cars I'm recognizing from Instagram, because like I recognize most of these because I follow most of them. And this is just like a Colorado Instagram car influencer meetup. It's pretty cool. Every single time I see a car on air, I tell myself I'm putting my car on air, and it's gonna happen. It's just $4 grand for a bag kit because my car, nobody makes bags for it. But it will happen, and I will put my car in air, and it will be cool, and I'll put it on YouTube. So, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe if you want to watch this whole build process take place. This car is gonna be awesome. Very quickly. I haven't checked out these Euros over here yet. I like these quite a bit. C63, CLS, I think. Damn, these are clean. Oh, the duality of man. A flat tire BMW and a Supra. I mean, I'm not gonna not check out a Supra. Nice. Oh. Okay. Archer, the Germans are leaving. Damn! GTSD's out. Scattered.
All I can say is I'm glad that Denver PD is generous.
And they don't care about that. I mean, we weren't disrespectful or anything like that. We were just making a little bit of noise. Jesus, that Golf is crackly.
Sam, what do you think?
She's cool. Yeah, there you go. You want to raise your top speed from 99 to 100. No, rip.
What caved in when I pushed him with fingers?
I think I heard a little pop.
We know why you failed the mission.
Yeah.
Are we doing a rev battle or what?
Oh God, no. No. I mean, yes, but no. Y'all heard Adele's car earlier, but now we're in a garage. I'm just gonna... This is how we get the cops called on us.
Watch out! Yeah, it's not. I have to wait for it to warm up to actually pop.
Fitment check. Let's see this.
It's one of the best fitment you'll ever see.
Exactly. What's this? Hella flush? Perfect.
You can tell that it's blue.
Yes.
Hey, it's pretty nice.
Yeah, it makes some good noises considering it's catted still and all that.
Oh, listen to that aftermarket exhaust. That rumble tumble.
I'm just gonna keep saying every car needs to be decatted.
Go with that 13.
Yeah,
That's the
13's
nicest
clean.
S13 I've ever seen.
Oh.
How did you do it without?
Archer, give her the D. Give her the D.
When I get back from Cedar Edge. And I just got my car.
He's out. Cops. Revving was too much. Cops coming. There they are. And we're out. Archer, I'll just stand right here.
Anything wrong.
Somebody stand at the back of his car so he doesn't, so he says that we don't have plates. So nobody sees that Archer doesn't have plates. So with the cop here, I'm just gonna go turn that off. Give the cop no reason to hate me. Boop. And he's not mad. With the headlight missing too.
I know enough people.
No, he's gonna try and fit his car through this. I wanna see this.
Show us what you got.
Come on, Archer.
Still hit it.
2 feet, 1 foot. You might have to back up and come in at it because you're gonna clip your windshield.
Back up. No, wait, go ahead. You're good.
Go this way. To the right. Yeah, right. You can't see me. Oh! He's doing it!
There we go. Watch the doors. Anti-theft.
Look, you're perfect. Dude, it's parked. That's a parking spot right there.
Actually, no.
Like, legit, he's not over on this side, and he's not over on this side. This is a parking spot. He's got the one-way sign, too.
Oh, there we go.
Car.
Hey, whip up right now. Or
No, no,
spin it.
no, no.
Spin it.
No, Archer.
Yes, yes, spin it.
I thought he was about to send it. I thought you were about to send it right back into the fucking pole. I'm out. See ya.
Okay. See ya.
You're going with me.
Yeah.
Well, this was a good meet. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.